Are you a graduate?
Yes, of course.
Eh? You're a graduate. You know the way you look short. I don't see. Which school are you? Which school do you go?
University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
University of Nightingale. Is it?
University of Nigeria.
University of Nigeria. Yes, that is UNN. Is it UNN?
Yes, sir.
University of Nigeria is UNN?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Which course did you go? Which course do you do?
Igbo linguistics.
Igbo linguistics course. Yeah?
Igbo linguistics.
You say what?
Igbo linguistics.
I don't know the problem of these church members. You say what?
Igbo linguistics.
Igbo limited.
Linguistics.
Yeah?
Linguistics.
I can never say what I don't know again.